Welcome back to our SQL training series. In today's question 9, we're diving into a real-world scenario. How can we find the first order date and total ordered quantity of each customer? We're working with a table named orders that records customer purchases. Each row captures the customer number, order date, and ordered quantity, but there's no primary key. Our goal is to write a SQL query that gives us the first order date per customer, the total quantity they ordered, and we want to sort the result by total quantity from highest to lowest. Here's a sample of what the data looks like with sales transactions of 5 customers. The expected output should be like this, demonstrating customer number, first order date, and ordered quantity of each customer. Let's start with a classic solution using group by. This query groups records by customer, finds the earliest order date, and calculates the total ordered quantity. Run the query and we get clean, summarized results: 1 row per customer of 163 customers. Now here's a modern alternative using window functions with partition by. The over partition by clause computes values per customer while keeping the original row count. Using distinct removes duplicate rows since each order could have different dates/quantities but the aggregated values are same per customer. Execute the query and it gives the same result but without using group by. Both approaches are valid. Use group by for straightforward aggregation. Use partition by when you want flexibility, like combining with other row-level data. If there are thousands of orders, distinct might be a bit less efficient than a group by or row_number-based solution, depending on indexing and SQL Server's execution plan. That wraps up question 9. You now know how to get the first order date and total ordered quantity per customer using both group by and partition by. Try running both queries in SSMS and explore the differences. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.